Hi, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the battery percentage on this device. Basically, how to display the battery percentage right here on this battery icon. First, we need to open the settings on our phone. So let's swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the battery option and tap on it. And here you should see the battery percentage, as you can see. Tap on the switch next to it to enable it. And as you can see, the battery percentage appeared next to the battery icon. And if you want to disable it, you can tap switch again, like that. And once you're done, you can close the settings. And that's how you enable the battery percentage on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.